YouTube? It's your girl Lindsay. I'm back with another video. Today's video, I will be teaching you guys some tricks how to make money just by using your phone and just sitting around. Before we get to this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it now. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds. Did you do it? Are you done? Good. Now I can see my videos and welcome to the fun. So you guys, are you guys ready for me to tell this app name? It's called Zynn, you guys. So basically, all you do is watch like TikTok videos and you earning money just by watching videos. Girl, I was like, is this legit or a scam? I had to try it, and let me tell you, it is legit. Cause I earned a whole bunch of money. You can earn gift cards, or you can like do cash. They'll send it to a PayPal account. All of that. I didn't believe it at first, but let me show you guys. So basically, if you bored, have nothing to do, all you gotta do is sit around, scroll through that phone, and earn some money. Cause honey, who does not want to make some money just by sitting around? Cause I know I do, and I know extra cash gonna help. So alright, I'm gonna leave my code, I'm gonna put it on the screen in the description below, so you guys can also check it out. And if you use my code, you can earn $20 off my code, because I used it a whole bunch of times. So if you use my code now, you earn $20. Just go ahead and use that code, girl. Earn that money, because I know I would want to use it. Okay, so this is how it works. Once you get in the app, it's like TikTok, but it's not really TikTok. All you're doing is watching the videos. It's basically, well, it's like a broken down TikTok, but you earning money by watching the videos. So like it's the little gift at the bottom, the box, that timer, if it's gonna keep going around, and when it stops, that's when you move on to the next video. See how I already made 50 points off of that? That 50 points right there gonna turn into cash. It's gonna turn into cash. So basically, the more you watching the videos, the more points you earn and the more cash you make. That's how it works. I made how much in 2 days just by sitting around here watching videos? Honey, telling you. So like, if it keep going around, you earn money. So like right now, as we doing right now, I'm earning points. And once you go on balance, I have $3 right now because I already cashed out my money, but it gives you the limit. So it's 10, 20, and 50. I'll cash out by like 50, 10, and 20. So these are the gift cards I already cashed out. I cashed out $50 gift card, Amazon, $20, $10, and this how much cash I had cashed out right here. And the plus is how much you earning. So if like right here you get your points and you redeem it into cash, the more points you get, the more cash you get. So I don't know, just try it out. And if you send your codes to your friends, they also will earn money, and also you'll get the money that they earning. So basically, like, it's like half and half. You get from me and I get from you. But basically, my code, if you use my code, you'll get $20. Go ahead and make that $20, girl. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. I'm gonna leave my code in the description below, so you guys can also do that and earn some money. Because the cash go to your PayPal account. The gift cards, there's Walmart, there's what's that store? Let me see what stores they have. They have Walmart, Amazon, Domino's, they have CVS, they have Apple, they have Target, they have Dunkin' Donuts, they have Safari, they have Burger King, Taco Bell, all of that. Who would not want to make some extra cash? And I hear they're coming with this other app that will be even better by earning money. So we gonna wait to see what apps that is. It says that the update will be June 16th, so today's the 15th for me, so it'll be like tomorrow. They'll let us know the new app that we can also earn money off of. So you can be using those two apps and earn money off those two apps. When I tell you, I was happy to find out that I finally found an app that works, that pays you just by sitting around on your bed bored watching videos. And when I tell you, the video's not even boring, because you can just sit around. And also, if you keep playing it, you earn more points. So basically, the longer you stay on the app, the longer points you're earning. They double your points. So if you like be on the app for like 20 minutes a day, as you staying, the minutes going up. They doubled it for you. So if you watching a video, if it's worth 50 points, they're gonna make it worth 100 points just because you was on the app all days. If you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I made in total, I think I made $200 something. Yeah, 200. I cashed it out because I was trying to see if it was real, and it was real. And I'm telling you, I put all my friends, all my family members into it, and I had to put you guys into it too. So go ahead and use my code in the link in the description below and download the app and earn some free cash. Okay, honey? I'll see you guys next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and make that money. I know you need it, especially now. Alright. See you guys. Bye. Love you.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.